should know if it could be the kind of girl you could go down for.
Hi Wonder Bros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today, for the first time ever in the 4 years I've been on YouTube, I'm going to attempt to sleek my baby hairs. But before we jump into it, you guys know where to go. Down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And yeah, y'all, let's jump into it. So if you've been watching me for some years, for a while here on the YT, you guys know I am not the biggest baby hair, edge slicker, edge tamer girl out there, okay? I typically do not venture into edges land, like, at all, okay? The most you would see me do is put coconut oil, water, and tie my hair down with a scarf, and I would lay my edges, but I would never actually style my edges. Fun fact, not everybody has baby hairs as an adult, and for me, okay, I'm not one of those people. I definitely do have baby hairs, a lot of them. In fact, you guys do know I'm a very hairy female, and my eyebrows will connect to my baby hairs because there's just so much hair concentrated up here, and I don't need to swoop out anything to take away from the real estate on my forehead, which I never felt like was a lot anyway. So it just seemed counterproductive in my opinion. I like a nice, sleek, clean hairline, and I was never really able to achieve that because of my baby hairs. So ironically, even though I have them, I have shaved them down at certain points because it's just too much. But every single time I see somebody with super swoopy edges, I'm like, ooh, it looks so good, and I always want to try it, but it never comes out good, okay? And anytime I've watched YouTube tutorials, it's usually people that don't have baby hairs slicking baby hairs. So I'm like, I mean, does anyone have the baby hairs and actually style them so I know what to do? Because it's not great. Now, one of the main tutorials I watched was the Jujube edges. I love her edges, they look so good. But one of the things she said in her video is that she had naturally sparse edges. And I mean, if y'all can tell, I don't. I have two hairlines, okay? The baby hairline and then my actual hairline. And for me, I just try and make it all stay down, because once it starts curling up, it's like it just looks like this fuzzy halo around your face, all the way down to my sideburns that connect around my ears. Like, it's not cute in my opinion, and I never embraced it. But today I am going to attempt to get some super swoopy edges and see how they look. Now, one of the things that I do to my edges, the water, coconut oil, and letting my edges set, that is what I did today, okay? And this is what everything is looking like. Either I'll use product that is already in my hair and just wet it, or I'll put some coconut oil on it, but I really don't put extra product on my edges to get them to stay down, because they just curl right back up and it's a lot. But whenever I do want to style my edges, two of the products that I use is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Edge Control Paste and the Ebony New York 24-hour Edge Tamer. This is the purple one. It's like the super strong hold. Okay, this one is a softer hold. I use this more often. This one is a super strong hold, and I don't leave it in my hair super long. Like, I make sure I wash within like a few days. So it basically depends on what kind of hold you're going for, but I'm going to see with some tools here as well. We got the edge brush, the actual brush, and my fine tooth comb, if I can get some swoops on the hairline, because I need some swoops in my life, okay? I want some swoops in my life. And I'm gonna just go head into the bathroom because there is no mirror out here, and y'all know I can't see. So yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna clip my hair back here and we're gonna get started. I feel like I'm one of the black girls that never understood why baby hairs were so important, but I do like how it looks. I just never felt the need to do them like ever. Anyway, so one of the tips that I picked up from watching other people do their edges and attempting to do this so many times myself, if you actually have baby hairs, one of the things you're going to want to do is work on damp hair. So I have my mister here, and you don't want to resaturate your hair, just mist it basically. And a lot of you guys have been asking where I get my spray bottles from. It's Sally's Beauty Supply, but you can find these on Amazon and everywhere else too. So I'll link it down below in the description box. So one of the other tips that I learned is that you either want to take your edge brush, well first, you know, maybe get an edge brush, but take an edge brush and either dip it in the product itself and then brush it down on your baby hairs, or if you actually have baby hairs, put the product like damn near on your forehead, okay? You don't put it on your hairline. I always kept trying to swoop my hairs out from my hairline, but because I have a baby hairline and a real hairline, it's like, don't do that. You're just gonna get too much hair with the brush. You're gonna pick too much up with it. So either put it on the brush and swoop out, or put it on your forehead and swoop out, because that's where the product is. Like I said, I don't have a lot of real estate up there, so here we go. Oh, and don't overdo it with the edge controls, okay? Don't get crazy, because it's just gonna look like you have a really shiny forehead, okay? You see how this looks like I'm putting, I know it looks dumb, like you completely missed your hairline, but it's like, this is what I have to do. Yes, you might kind of mess up your makeup too. You want to put a little bit in your hairline. Now you're going to take your edge brush and actually swoop. Brush them down. Okay, down first. And then you want to swoop them back, okay? Like an actual swoop motion. I hope this is coming out good. Okay, and you don't want to drag this all the way back into your pop and twist out or whatever style you have, unless you're trying to sleek your whole bun down or something like that. So this is what my edges are looking like so far. Swooped, okay, pretty good. I'm gonna tell you something I never liked about swooping edges is that sometimes when I've seen swooped edges, it looks like they swoop too much and it looks like bald between the swooped edges and their actual hairline. So then it's like the hair that was supposed to be, you know, brushed back is swooped out, and it's like, there's just too much scalp in there. It's too much scalp in there, and I don't want to look like that either. I like more natural, wispy looking swoops, okay? And I don't know if that's what this is, but it's pretty set right now. So I'm gonna do the other side too. Obviously everything has dried out on me. And again, putting it on my forehead. If you actually have baby hairs, don't just put the product on your hairline. It won't do anything. So this is what it's looking like before I brush it, okay? And then for baby hairs, I think my actual hairs grow all in the same direction, so I should swoop, 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 swoop around. But typically, having symmetrical baby hairs looks better in my opinion. So you want to swoop some this way and then swoop some that way, even though my actual baby hairs grow like all in one direction this way. So we're gonna swoop back this way now. Down. You have to actually pull them out, snatch them out of formation. Again, forehead, okay, down, and then we're going to ooh, no, okay, see, I'm holding the brush wrong. Gonna swoop. We're gonna swoop. Don't carry. Do not carry. Swoop, don't carry. And I'm looking in the mirror over here to see if things look cute. or if I'm just telling y'all a whole bunch of craziness. So I adjusted it a little bit off camera, but this is what everything is looking like. Okay. And we're gonna let this set. Y'all have seen this pink scarf too many times to count. And I'll be back in 10 minutes to show you guys what everything is looking like. Yes, I did just move it up a little bit. Ugh, I hope that didn't mess it up. Fingers crossed that everything comes out cute. Okay. So I'm back, and I was gonna let it set for like 10 minutes, but it ended up being like 20 minutes. So we're just gonna take this down. Okay. Oh, she's kind of cute. She is kind of cute. Now, I think I expected a little more dramatic, a little more drama in my swoops, but you know what? This looks more natural and I like it. And typically whenever I use the Curls Blueberry Bliss, it doesn't last me all day. It's a softer hold, but if you're going out for like a night and you don't want a whole bunch of product buildup on your edges and you want to use it on a more regular basis, I highly recommend that product. But y'all, I like it, okay? I said this was an attempt, and I didn't use all the tools that I had, but you know, there's like 753 ways to swoop a baby hair, and this is just me trying to get one of them down. So yeah, y'all, what do you think? What do you think? I like it. And my edges are completely dry, so this is great. And I'm not a big fan of this hard edge here where, you know, my actual hairline starts, but you know, that could get covered up. Whenever I see super swooped baby hairs and they look good, it's like a sleeker style, but I just wanted to try it on this twist out because, you know, like I said, anytime I see swoopy edges, I'm always like, yes, girl, I'ma be you one day. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff. And subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. Don't forget to check out any of my other social media platforms over here and any of my previous uploads over here. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.